Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're gonna take up the Dynam ME 262. Take her down here, get a range test out of her, and let's see what we can do with her. I ain't gonna lie to you folks, I don't have a lot of faith in this bird. And the reason I don't have a lot of faith in it is the build was horrible. Absolutely horrible. And it just, look at that, now my canopy's popping off. It just seemed like no matter what I did with this plane, the thing fought me tooth and nail. Everything that could go wrong with it seemed to go wrong. You know what? We're gonna have to change batteries. Hold on, folks. All right, folks, we're gonna try this again, change batteries. I think the other battery was just a little too fat for it. And oh, hold on. All right, try this again, one more time, third time. Well, never mind.
Motor off.
Yeah, I said I didn't have a lot of faith in the bird, and my lack of faith was confirmed. Not enough power. Battery was placed correctly. Yeah, I thought it was a pile of crap when I put it together, and it is a pile of crap. Well, there we go. Goodbye.